guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at an exam style question about the contact process. The question starts by reminding us that the contact process is used to make sulfuric acid, and it gives us the chemical formula for sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4. It then tells us that the reaction process moves along three separate stages, and we're given the reaction equations for each of these three separate stages. In the first step, we can see that sulfur reacts with oxygen in order to produce SO2, or sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide then goes on to react with another molecule of oxygen, giving us SO3, or sulfur trioxide. It's this sulfur trioxide that then reacts with water in order to give our overall product, our H2SO4 sulfuric acid. The first part of the question asks us, what is the overall reaction equation for this reaction? We can obtain an overall reaction equation by adding together the equations for each of the three separate stages. In order to do this, we need to make sure that we're balancing as we go. For example, in the first reaction, we produce one molecule of sulfur dioxide from one atom of sulfur and one molecule of oxygen. But then in the second part, we're reacting two molecules of sulfur dioxide. We therefore need to double our first equation in order to produce two molecules of sulfur dioxide, and we can achieve this by reacting two atoms of sulfur with two molecules of oxygen. Similarly, the second step produces two molecules of sulfur trioxide. But in the third step, we're currently only reacting one of them in order to produce sulfuric acid. We therefore also need to multiply this equation by 2. And this will ensure that our overall reaction equation is going to be correctly balanced. As we mentioned, we can generate our overall reaction equation by adding together our three separate stages. To do this, we take all of the substances that appear on the left-hand side of the reaction arrow in the individual reaction equations, and write them on the left-hand side of a reaction arrow for the overall reaction. Let's see what this looks like. So, for example, from the first equation, in our doubled up version, we have two atoms of sulfur reacting with two molecules of oxygen.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.